Good afternoon, students. Today we'll be looking at preparation of solution, preparation of a standard solution. We'll look at the items needed, but before then, by the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the items or the apparatus needed for the preparation of a standard solution. 2, they should be able to prepare a standard solution. This is what we'll be looking at. We want to prepare a solution of concentration 0.5 mole per decimeter cube, of volume 250 decimeter cube. The chemical that will prepare the solution from is sodium hydroxide. This is our sodium hydroxide. The molecular weight or molar mass on it is 40. So we have 40 grams per mole. Let's look at our apparatus before we start the preparation of the solution. We have here our volumetric flask. We have our beaker. This is our spatula, stirring rod or a stirrer. I have the funnel here, and then the wash bottle. And last but not the least, we have the weighing scale here and the chemical itself. First, to prepare the solution, you need to calculate the mass needed for the preparation of the solution. So to calculate the mass, we go by this relation. Mass is equal to concentration times volume times molar mass. The concentration that we need is 0.5 multiplied by the volume. We need to change this into decimeter cube. That will give us 0.25 decimeter cube. And multiply by the molar mass, which is 40. And this will give us 5 grams. So we need to weigh 5 grams of the sodium hydroxide. So I will open my sodium hydroxide, place my beaker on the weighing scale 0.8. Then I will try to weigh 5 grams. Good. Now I have my 5 grams. The next stage is to add small amount of water to the weighed amount of sodium hydroxide, and then we will stir to dissolve all the sodium hydroxide in the beaker. Let me add more water so that the dissolution will be quicker. So as we are stirring, heat is being generated. So we say this reaction here is exothermic. This is an exothermic reaction because it is becoming hot. Heat is being generated. So we'll continue stirring until all has been dissolved. Then when everything is dissolved, by the help of a funnel, we transfer the dissolved sodium hydroxide into the volumetric flask. To ensure that every sodium hydroxide weight has been transferred, we rinse it with more water, then we add it to the content in the volumetric flask. So I'm doing that. I'm rinsing and adding it. After adding the content, I will add water so that it reaches the 250 centimeter cube mark. So we'll look at it. Right, now it's exactly on the mark, so I will cover it, then shake it. So now we have our solution of concentration 0.5 mole per decimeter cube of volume 250 centimeter cube. Ready. This is how we prepare it. So this is your assignment, student. You are to prepare a solution of sodium hydroxide with a concentration 1 mole per decimeter cube and a volume of 500 centimeter cube. We'll continue next time. Bye bye.